Good morning, everybody. Just going to take you around the loft quickly. These pigeons at the moment are on Best Pigeon Auction, which is USA based. I'll just take you around the loft. They're in super condition. Very happy with them. These pigeons have flown the entire series at Victoria Falls. Clearly proven pigeons beyond any doubt that they can do it. Just want to show you how they're looking. If these pigeons are bought on the auction sale, they can be placed directly with the Victoria Falls breeding program, and they can be paired up immediately and youngsters bred for this coming season. So just to let you know.